Okay, midterm, it's Friday. They updated the Google document that was our midterm list. So I'll look through that over break. We practiced Zoom, and then Chris worked on the network simulation, and Kevin and Drew worked on the Microsoft server. So we had some items to take care of as far as the network. There was an error in my documentation for the VM. The students found that. So that was good. So then, yeah, we worked until a little afternoon. Then we called it for spring break. I have one more slide. We did talk about students have, it looks like this is working now. We have a catalyst switch here connected to this catalyst switch, and this catalyst switch, I'll use another color just to show it. I'll use blue. It goes down to a switch here, which funnels it right through to here, and then there's a port here that runs right up here in the firewall. And so there in the firewall we have what we're going to call DMZ2 172.22.0.1. That's the gigabit 03 interface on that firewall with a security level of 60. It's below the main network, but this is above DMZ1. Okay? Now, so what we should be able to do, we have a workstation here. That workstation communicates here, goes here, through here, and was able to get out to the internet. So, in reality, eventually this will connect directly here to the firewall, and then we'll either have multiple cables, because these will be in the same facility, they'll be in the same rack. We'll probably have a cable out of here for each port on the firewall. DMZ1, DMZ2, and the main network inside, and here we have outside. Okay, well, it's a good day. That's it. We're a little over half done, so we're looking forward to spring, nice green color, spring break. Maybe there'll be a little spring in that break for us. That's it.